Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to share with you a little skin secret that has seriously changed my life. This is CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum, and this is awesome. I am a big believer in this serum. So this is really nice because it has retinol, but it also has hyaluronic acid, which is extremely moisturizing. And this serum is designed to help with fine lines and wrinkles, but I have found that it is wonderful for improving the texture of your skin and helping to control acne. So I have acne-prone skin. I am getting a little bit older and starting to have some more fine lines coming up, and I've definitely noticed an improvement in my skin, especially with acne and the texture of my skin from where I have acne scars, and also with redness and just the smoothness of my skin overall. I also love that a little bit goes a long way. So it comes in this little pump, which is really handy, and you can pump out a tiny amount, really small amount. This would be enough to cover my whole face. It really goes a long way, which is awesome because that helps to save cost, and you know that you're not wasting the product because it's very effective. I am very grateful for this product and how much it has helped my skin. And if you have problems with any of those skin areas that I mentioned, then it may be worth giving it a try and see if it'll work for you. And that's my point of view.